A remembrance honoring the life of veteran journalist Michael Sharpe was held today under strict COVID-19 protocols. Janella Precious reports.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
A send-off like no other, befitting the man who dedicated close to 40 years of his life to media. On YouTube alone, over 9,000 persons tuned in as this very uniquely done remembrance aired. Michael Sharpe's footprints throughout the production, which included recorded tributes in words.
He was a man of eclectic tastes in food, in sports, in music. All of that made him a very rounded man.
I still checking my phone, my email to see him emailing me. I still checking my phone for him to call me to help him to go through something in Photoshop or whatever. I still expect him to call me and I tell me, say, you know, why may I come in late or why may I leave early. I still expect to see him walk through the door.
He would tell you that Calabar would win champs every year without even knowing the squad that they had. He was a Chelsea fan, and we would discuss tactics and predictions in the games. And he also found time to be a farmer, a bee farmer. And he was always expanding his interests.
And in song. It was not your typical memorial given the COVID-19 restrictions, but still the virtual event provided the platform for persons to reflect on his life. In fact, it was under Michael Sharpe's leadership, the cable arm of the RGR Gleaner Communications Group expanded its offerings to live streaming. As destiny would have it, however, he would not be the foreman in this production.
Michael grew up in Walton Gardens, attended Halfway Tree Primary School, and was a proud graduate of his beloved Calabar High School. After completing high school, he joined his parents and siblings in the U.S., where he studied journalism at Hunter College in New York City. Once he graduated, Michael returned to the land he loved because, in his words, Jamaica sweet.
As Michael Sharpe laid in the casket at Roman's funeral home, a final serenade by pianist Dennis Rushton. Michael Sharpe died at the University Hospital of the West Indies on April 20. He was 65. Janella Precious, TVJ News.